In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to export an image in Canva. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Canva account, and when you log in, you will either land on your home dashboard or your templates dashboard. Now, from here, regardless of where you are, you want to locate the left-hand column of navigation options and you want to click on projects. Now, when you click on projects, you'll be able to see all of the projects that you're currently working on. So locate the specific image that you would like to export and click on it. When you do that, the image will open in Canva's design editor. From here, look over to the top right corner and click on share. Once you click on share, look for the download option at the very bottom of this share design window and click on download. When you do that, you'll be able to edit the specifications of your download settings. So for the file type, since you are downloading an image, the best option here for high quality is a PNG. So select PNG. Once you have it selected, leave the size as it is unless you would like to increase the size of the image. It should be okay as it is. And do not check any of these boxes such as limit file size, compress file, or transparent background unless you would like a transparent background for your image. Once you have all of these settings, simply click on download and Canva will prepare the download, and once the download is prepared, it'll automatically download onto your device, and that is how you export an image in Canva. I hope that this tutorial was helpful, and if you had any issues along the way or you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments section below and I will respond to them. Thank you for watching this video.